What's going on, everybody? It's Jeff here. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to continue talking about AMC and GameStop. It's currently Tuesday, February 9th. It's after market close, and we haven't had any reports yet of the accurate short interest data being released, guys. I know I said accurate short interest data being released, but we haven't gotten any short interest data being released. But we've already seen some movement after hours. In this video, I'm going to go over how to play this upcoming stock over the next couple days, what to expect, what happens basically if the short interest data that we believe is real or it's not real. So I'm going to go over that a little bit. And then I also want to let you know, guys, I got a lot of interest, in my last video in the comments down below of people saying, yeah, I would love to join a private Discord that's actually monitored, and as well as have a bunch of different training videos. So check it out, guys. There's a link down below. It's very, very inexpensive. It's a super low entry price to be able to help give an organized section of videos and trainings material for you guys to be able to learn about investing in the stock market. Okay, so if you're interested in that, click that link down below, and I'll see you on the inside. All right, let's get into this video, guys. So first off, let's look at the charts here. Right now, we're seeing GameStop have a little bit of action after hours. It's currently up 7.33%. I think it was close to up to around 15%. I haven't had any, like I said, any release of this data. It was supposed to be, the decimation is at 4 p.m. However, by the time that eventually gets to the public, we don't know when that is going to happen. So I'm going to show you these two sites, guys, in case you haven't looked at them. This is shortsqueeze.com. Okay, after you watch this video, take a look at it. Right now, it shows that it's 20-minute delayed. This is for AMC. Let me type in GameStop, guys, and it's still showing. So right here, I want to show you the record date. I've mentioned this before, January B. You're going to be looking, data updates, you're going to be looking for when that says Feb A. Once it says Feb A, then you're going to know that that is the data that was reported, guys. Okay, in my last video, we had talked about the potential of this information not being solely accurate. Well, at that point, it's not going to matter to us. We can complain about it. We can talk about it. We might even think to ourselves that, hey, this is definitely not accurate. But in the end, that's going to be the information reporting, and that's going to lay out where the stock is going to go from there. Okay. Another website to look at, I've mentioned this one as well, is highshortinterest.com. You can just refresh this. Right now, it's sitting at 121.79, guys. These are the same numbers that have been out. This says the 29th, but it looks like these were reported on the 15th. So some of these websites, guys, they have paid subscriptions, and those members are going to get that information first. I do want to say that potentially looking at what is going to be happening after hours, AMC did have a pop-up of almost 10%, and now it's back to even. What we do see in that pop-up is going to give a good outlier of potentially where this short interest is going. I said in my last video that if we expect the short interest percentage at all to be greater, it's gonna go up. Okay, guys, so we'll wait for that. Look at, yeah, it's falling back down, guys. We'll wait to see the report comes out. I'm sure it's gonna be all over Twitter, all over Reddit. But I also want to talk about, guys, that the potential of this information not being accurate, okay? So in the last video, I had talked about, if you haven't seen it, go check it out. It's the last one on my channel. I had talked about how Morgan Stanley had basically been fined $2 million from the SEC for not reporting accurate information to FINRA over a 6-year period, guys. And so when you think about that, if these shorts are potentially hundreds of millions, if not billions of dollars underwater still, right? Because the price, even though both these stocks have fallen pretty far from the current level, the price that they're at is far ahead of where the shorting began, okay? So if they're billions, let's just say $1 billion underwater, it's very, very beneficial for them to continue paying interest on those uncovered shorts and potentially lie to the market. However, in my opinion, guys, and I'm going to be a little blunt with this, that information almost becomes mute at that point, okay? Whether it's true or not, it's going to be what is played upon for the future, okay, and what is going to be reacted upon, and where these stocks are going to be moved based on the information, right? So I'm going to bring this back to the presidential election, guys. You looked at two different sides, okay? You had one side saying, oh, of course you're saying, they cheated because, you just didn't win. And then you got the other side, okay, saying the only way that, the president that's sitting right there is because they cheated. And there's so much evidence for the cheated. Guys, in the end, doesn't matter what you believe, okay? It doesn't matter, how strong, what the evidence was. The fact of the matter is that Biden is still in office. And that might fall with the same way on this, guys. It doesn't matter how much the information might not be accurate. It doesn't matter how much, they lied and so forth. the retail investors and the hedge funds, that's the movement of the future of the stock. The future of the stock movement is going to play out based on that information. So you need to just keep that in mind, okay? Currently, I am still holding my position. I still plan on holding my position. I'm not going to let it go. At this point, I can almost see this merely at a floor. If I'm losing 10% a day, it's like I'm already down now over 50% in my position. In AMC and AMC only, I'm going to choose to hang on to it. Let's take one last look at the charts, guys. This has been popping up and down since we've been talking. It's sitting at zero, going up $3, up $4. It's bouncing back and forth. AMC almost seems like it's going to be doing the same thing. Yeah, it's popping a little bit, guys, but nothing's happened yet. Let's refresh this one last time, see if we got an update. We haven't. Check this out, guys. I'm going to leave both these stocks, highshortinterest.com and shortsqueeze.com. Let's see if AMC potentially has it one last time. Nope, we're still looking at that January B date. So, guys, take a look at it. Make sure, update it. If you see it, throw it on Twitter, throw it on Reddit, comment down below, let me know. Guys, if you're interested in learning more about the fundamentals, the mechanics of the stock market in a very organized layout, we're also going to have direct access to, my team, my employees that, we run our business, our marketing business together, and we choose to invest all of our money into the stock market because it's the best vehicle to grow actual wealth, and provide for you and your family. If you're interested in that, guys, click the link down below. I tried to make it super, super affordable. Eventually, I am going to cap it out as a maximum number of individuals because I don't want this, to become, insanely crowded to where individuals are just commenting and fear mongering and so forth. So if that's going to interest you guys, click a link down below and consider liking and subscribing. I'll see you in the next one.